Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about clay bars and how to clay bar your car. So the first step you want to take before you even put a clay bar on your paint is you want to make sure you wash your car thoroughly, get it nice and clean, get all the dust and dirt off the car. Alright guys, there's lots of clay bars and different types of clay bars on the market, but we're going to look at traditional clay bars. We're also going to use Chemical Guys products today. So Chemical Guys offers it in 3 different abrasions: light, medium, and heavy. And to determine which bar you're going to use, it really determines how much contamination is on your car. If you've got a car that's heavily contaminated, never maintained, never washed really or waxed, then you might go with the heavy. And if you have a new car that's been detailed, washed, and waxed, you can use the light. And then there's a light, medium, or medium bar, which is really just for like maintenance every 3 months. Alright guys, once you take your clay bar out of the package, the first thing you want to do is you want to tear off a piece. Alright guys, we got our piece here. Let's go ahead and put the clay bar back before I drop it on the ground. These clay bars cost about $10 at the Chemical Guy store or $20 on Amazon with Clay Luber, which I'll put links in the description below. Alright guys, so the next thing you want to do after you break off a piece of your clay bar is you want to knead it out. So what we want to do is we want to make it, I like to have it a little bit bigger, like the size of a 50-cent piece or a quarter, something that I can hold. Something like that should be fine. This will go a long way with your car, especially if it's maintained. If it's really heavily contaminated, you'll go through a couple of these. Okay, about that big. Now the reason why you want to break off a piece of your bar and do this is because once you drop the clay on the ground, it's garbage. Just throw the whole bar away and go buy another one, because the clay will pick up the dirt and grime off of the ground, and you'll just end up getting scratches and swirl marks in your paint. If you drop this little piece, throw it away, break off another one, and keep continuing on with your day clay barring. That's why you want to take a little piece of the clay bar and knead it out, and then you don't have any waste. Alright guys, it's starting to rain a little bit, but that won't stop us from doing this how-to. So one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to spray the lube on the car when the car is hot. If you can get your car covered, do it early in the morning or late in the evening, but try not to do this while the car is warm. What you want to do is get yourself some Clay Luber, and the Clay Luber I use is from Chemical Guys because it smells really good, but I'll put some links in the description below for other clay lubes on Amazon. You want to start in 2x2 squares and just slide the clay bar on the paint. As easy as that. Don't be afraid to use a lot of lube. More lube, the better. Spray your clay bar. You can spray more down. It's nice and cold, so the luber's not drying on the paint. And this is all you do. One thing I like about the Chemical Guys lube is it smells good. You'll see it lifting oils and stuff off of the paint, which is normal. My paint's been cleaned and waxed and decontaminated, but you can kind of see maybe a little bit of dirt. Alright, let's go ahead and get this washed off. So guys, we're going to use our Chemical Guys cloth towels. You always want to remove this tag to prevent scratching. Links for these will be in the description below. Go ahead and, I'm using waterless car wash just for this demonstration. You can use your regular car shampoo if you like. And just go ahead and wipe it down. I am in a little bit of a hurry because I don't want the hail to ruin my camera. I can't afford to buy another expensive camera. I'm not a Stradman YouTuber yet. That's it guys. That's how it's nice and smooth. You can feel it. That's how you clay bar a car. Alright guys, so let's just recap on how to clay bar your car. First off, you need the right clay bar. Most clay bars on the market are light to medium heavy, but if you got a heavily contaminated car, you'll want to get the heavy duty clay bar. Links will be in the description below if you'd like to pick one up. Those are affiliate links. The first step you wanted to do was wash your car, get all the dirt, get all the dust and grime off of it first. Second step is take your clay bar, break yourself off a piece, and knead it out. And the reason why you want to do that is so if you drop this on the ground, this will be trash. You don't want to waste a bunch of money. If you drop a little piece on the ground, then all you got to do is throw this away, break off another piece, and keep on clay barring your car. So the one thing you really need when you're clay barring is you need Clay Luber. And I prefer the chemical guy's Clay Luber because it smells really good, but there's lots of clay lube on the market. You can also use like your car shampoo when you're shampooing your car, but the reason why I don't use that is because I like to see what I'm actually clay barring, because you've got to consistently add lube to reduce the friction so you don't mar your paint. And the clay lube is right consistency, the right formula to do that. You don't want to use like a spray wax. You don't want to use like a quick detailer. You really want something that's a clay luber. Like I said, you could use your car shampoo, but I would really recommend getting the clay luber. And don't be frugal with it. Use a lot of it. It doesn't hurt you. It's not a harsh chemical, and it's really important. So a lot of times when I'm clay barring, I'll either wipe down the section like you saw me do with a nice terry cloth, or what I'll do is, if it's nice and cool, I'll do a whole section, like the whole hood, and then I'll wash it with car wash soap and a mitt, and then I'll move to the fender, wash the fender, door, and so on and so forth. So that's how you clay bar, guys. Super easy, super affordable, and it makes the paint just super clean, and it's really important to clay bar your car before you wax it. Alright guys, thanks for watching this how-to video. If you like this content, consider subscribing to the channel. It helps me grow it. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment in the section below. I reply to all the comments, and let me know what you would like to see next on a how-to video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.